presenting the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include differential heavy-duty automatic locking rear, 4-wheel drive, tow hooks, power steering, ABS, steel wheels, automatic headlights, split bench seat, vinyl seats and rear bench seat. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.